Hey, what's good, everybody? So welcome to the unboxing of the Mac Mini M4 Pro that I picked up not too long ago. I'm going to show you like a quick unboxing, give you my opinions of it in comparison to my M1 Studio, and pretty much let you know what led up to this particular decision, other than the fact that I really was looking to update it, and I was really somewhat hesitant on pulling the trigger on this particular device because I was really kind of wanting to see what the new M4 Mac Studio may have offered, but due to the fact that it's being released later in the year, and I was kind of looking forward to upgrading the M4 Pro, the Mini, I'm gonna call it the Mini Pro 4, met like my needs as far as power, the ability to edit videos and what have you. So let's check out what was inside of the box. I got my Mac Mini M4 Pro in. So I'm gonna do a quick unboxing. Now I did get the M4 Pro, and I got the 1 terabyte of internal storage. Got the 24 gigabytes of unified memory. Wow, this is real nice. See the power button right there, the notorious out of sight power button that everybody is trying to tell you is not a big deal, but to some of us who like to turn off our computers from time to time, it is a big deal. Now, the good thing about this is that it does have the 3 Thunderbolt 5 ports in the back and 2 USB high-speed ports up, Type-C ports up front. Got the headphone head jack, your power, where your plug is at. I got the 1 gigabit Ethernet. I didn't go with the 10. I didn't need that. And I do have an HDMI port if I want to connect to another screen. And there's not much else inside. Get a little booklet designed by Apple in California, and just comes with an instruction book and just your standard bit of information about the computer. So you might be asking yourself, how does this M4 Mac Mini compare to my M1 Mac Studio? Well, it is a little faster. It has a faster processor. It does benchmark faster than the Studio M1 that I do have, and it has a little bit more powerful graphic chip. And I also like the new small design, so it's going to have a smaller footprint on my desk, and actually, something I kind of look forward to seeing if I can work with. It's going to have a nice little cute, I don't want to say cute, but let's just say a nice modern look. But one of the small inconveniences of this particular Mac Mini is going to be the fact that the power button is underneath. Now, along with the one that I picked up, like I said, has the M4 Pro chip in it. I got the 14-core CPU, 20-core GPU, and the 16-core neural engine. I kept my memory selection. For the Pros, the base standard one is the 24 gigabyte unified memory. I didn't want to upgrade it to the 48 because that was almost maybe, I think, a $400 upgrade, and I didn't want to do that. I was trying to keep the cost as low as possible because sometimes Apple with their upgrades can push the cost up really fast, and before you know it, you're paying MacBook Pro prices. So you got to keep an eye on your upgrades and kind of strategically plan for those type of upgrades, and knowing how you operate and how you do things. Because I personally decided to upgrade the internal storage. Other than that, there are a few other reasons why I chose this, because like I said, I like to do video editing for my YouTube channel, and I think the Mac Mini faster processor and more powerful graphic chips will significantly boost my productivity. Secondly, I am a heavy multitasker. With the M4 Mac Mini increased RAM that I have, it will allow me to run a lot more apps in the background on a regular basis simultaneously without any type of lag. Another reason is I actually like that new design of the M4 Mac Mini in comparison to the more bulkier look of my M1 Studio. So it's a more smaller, compact look to it than the M1. So like I said, it's gonna look good on my as part of my desktop setup. And also another reason is the ability to trade in my Mac Studio and get a nice chunk of that price kind of brought down into a much more manageable cost. The total cost was $17.99, but after the trade-in, the actual net cost I will be paying for my new Mac Mini 4 Pro will be $949. There was no need for me to actually keep two computers. I know some of you out there might say, hey, just hold on to that. You could use it, but all it would have done is collect dust, and it would have became a paperweight. And actually, as far as how I use stuff, it just would have been in the way. So I went ahead and I'm just going to take the chance on actually just trading it in and moving on. But overall, like, I am really excited about this new Mac Mini 4. Again, with the excellent upgrades, this is a great computer for anyone who wants a powerful, compact desktop computer. And you really can spec you out a real nice one just with the base one. With the M4 Mac Mini by itself, you can build out a real nice setup. Now, you don't need to put what I got on my Mac Mini. Like I said, with the internal storage and the upgrade in the Mac Mini Pro, you can pretty much go with the base 16 gigabytes of RAM, unified memory, and really that'll be enough for most people. Only thing I would say, just be careful. Maybe you want to upgrade to the 512 gigabytes of internal storage and get a fast running SSD external hard drive to make up for the lack of internal SSD. But that's the only thing I would say you would really need to splurge on, and you can pretty much get this machine at $599. But if you're willing to spend, you know, the extra cash, by all means, you know, go ahead, do what you want to do. It's your money. But if you really want to get by on what they call the bare bones $599, I would just say upgrade the internal storage to 512 and then pretty much get you an external SSD that's really fast. There are some out there that are just as fast as your internal SSD speeds, and go with that. But again, thanks for watching. You know, if you have any questions about the M4 Mac Mini, please leave them down below with your comments, and be sure to subscribe to the channel. Thanks, and I appreciate everybody out there watching this video, and I catch you in the next video. I'm out.